What is cooking in the kettlebell kitchen today, I hear you ask? Well, this is one of my go-to post-workout meals. It's quick and easy to prepare, tastes great, and is packed full of what we need post-exercise. What's even better is it's a bargain meal deal, costing only £2.50, approximately $3 per portion, with all the ingredients available at your local Tesco store. Check out the video description for the full recipe. Now, assuming you're stocked up with the required ingredients, begin by slicing and dicing the tomato and avocado. Then get your bagel toasted, and next up, crack open the smoked salmon and cream cheese, adding a healthy portion of each to the bagel. If you like a bit of zing to your bagel, then add an optional dash of lemon juice. Next up, it's time to crack open the eggs and get that poultry popping on a nice gentle heat. Once the eggs are nicely cooked, it's time to stack her up and put it all together. In goes the egg, avocado and tomato, and bon appetit! There we have a delicious smoked salmon bagel. For more quick post-workout meal tips and follow along workouts, subscribe. See you next time for more post kettlebell workout kitchen club.